Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, today we are going to be doing a little eye tutorial, makeup tutorial, using the new Desi and Katie's Friendcation palette from Dulce Colors. I was so happy when I got this in the mail. Like, you have no idea. Like, I was literally squealing, and my best friend, because I was sending her snaps on Snapchat, she's like, "You're making me cringe." I was like, I know. Like, I even annoyed my kids where they were just like, "You're annoying, mom," and they like left the room, and I was like, bye. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm so excited. So so beautiful. But I just want to say, if you want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into the palette. I'm so excited. As we've seen it all over, you know, Desi's and Katie's Instagram. Like, she's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, yes. So first, we are gonna take my Urban Decay Primer Potion, and we're gonna put that on our eyelids. Tap that out. And if we can see, I already have all my face done. So we're just gonna do the eyes and the mouth. So I am gonna set that with this Shape Tape Concealer Setting Powder. And we're just gonna be taking the little puff. I'm just gonna be setting that just like that, just so we can have an even surface to work on. We're just gonna be taking this Say Me 2.3. It's a made in Japan brush, blending brush. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm, or it could be from an Ipsy bag, because I used to have Ipsy, so it could be from one of those. So we're gonna be taking Basic, this one right here, and we're gonna be putting that in our transition, in our crease, so it's gonna act as a transition color. We're gonna be taking the Alamar blending brush now, and we're gonna be taking this color right here, Necessary, and we're gonna be putting that also in our crease. And we're just gonna go back and forth with windshield wiper motions. Okay, so next I'm gonna be taking, this is my Morphe E17 brush. Hold on. So now I'm gonna be taking this, well, no, I didn't have this brush, did I? Nope, I didn't. I have the E17 Morphe brush, and we are going to be taking this one right here, Cheens. This one right here, Cheens. And we're going to be putting that in our outer V of the eye. Oop. Look at that pigment. Can you get it? Come on, Sony. 551, A551. You see that pigment? That's a lot. Okay, so I took some of that off. We're gonna be putting that on the corner. I'm so sorry if you could hear my stupid dog barking outside. She goes nuts. So I'm not gonna be swiping it in. I'm just gonna be tapping it for now, just to get the color in there. And we're gonna be taking it in like 1/4 of the eye. So we're gonna be leaving like 3/4 of it clear because we are gonna set dirty money in there. Going back to this blending brush, blending those colors together. Back with a little bit more of Cheens. Oh, I thought the stupid handle was loose. Go back in with the blending brush and blend those. I love that. Do I see little patches? No, it's just a shape. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here. Kind of look like a little patch, but I didn't put the Cheens right there. There we go. So I'm gonna use this Alamar flat. I use this as a concealer brush or whatever, so we're just gonna use it on that. So we're gonna go into the Dirty Money one. Okay. So sorry, I'm trying not to get all up in here. Ooh. Okay, let's get more on the brush. Seems a little wet. I'm gonna use our fingers for that. You can use the brush, but I feel like the fingers just works a lot quicker. See? Dang, look at that color. Ooh, I would wear this during the day. I is sorry, but I'll wear it during the day because it's so good. Makes me so excited. I'm so sorry. When I get so excited, I start talking like an idiot. Let me get in my inner corner with that. Okay, so we got both of the lids on. Wow, this color's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this little E36 brush. Do you see how small it is? No, not that one. I'm gonna go in with... I need a clean blender brush. We're gonna go in with the Sigma E25 and just blend these together right here on the crease very softly. And go on back with this E17 brush, just a little wonky ass brush, and just blend these colors together. I don't want it the whole lid, I just wanted it to end like right here, and so you can see that it ended it and it's blending with Cheens and Dirty Money. Go to the next side. see how it looks on camera, but in person, it looks so good. Taking this clean blender brush and just blend all that. Love it, I love it. Now we're gonna go into our lower lash line, and I am gonna be taking Necessary and just be running it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna put the stupid mirror down. Oh. Okay, dab into that a little bit. Stay. The other side.
Stop your recording.
What?
Cream.
Okay, sorry, I had to take a quick break. There was a guinea pig issue. So, yes. So, like I said, we are going in with, what was it? Necessary in the lower lash line. Okay, so that's on the lower lash line. We're gonna go in with, this is a BH Cosmetics brush, and we're just gonna clean it out on this Ulta, what is it called again? Eyeshadow switching pan. Ugh. Put it on there, and then we're gonna go in not with Sheins because that thing is pretty dark. We're gonna go in with Churro. We're gonna go with Little Miss Desi Jr. And we're gonna be putting that on the lower lash line as well, just to deepen it up a tad bit. You see that? Super cute, super cute. Let's put a tad a bit deeper here on the outer part of it. Now I'm going to get this side. Okay, a little bit more troll right here. Now we're gonna go in with this flat concealer brush again, and we're just gonna be putting a little bit of the Dirty Money. Come on, get on the brush. And we're gonna put that a little bit on the brush, spray it a little bit with the Morphine setting spray, and putting that right here on the inner corner on the underline of it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera, and the lashes I am gonna be using is these Kiss Flirty lashes, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I applied my lashes. I did not end up going with the liquid liner after all. I just put on my lashes, and I just want the shadow to be the show of the eyes, you know what I mean? The attention, the main focus of my eyes. So what I'm gonna be doing for my inner corner, I'm gonna be taking a little bit of Fuego from their first collection, and I know they brought it back in their second collection, but we're gonna be putting that in our inner corner of the eye to add a little highlight. Love it. Then there. And next we are going to be going in to do our lips. I have a little bit of the Nicole Guerrero lip mask on, so gotta tap that out. And this is just an Avon lip liner. It's nude. I'll be putting that on. And I think we're gonna go in with No Shade as our lipstick. I'm such a ding dong. I keep the packaging, especially like if it's super cute packaging like this. I keep the tubes of lipsticks in there. So we're gonna be putting that on our lips. I love that color. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit over the top, which I think I'm gonna have to pick up another one of these on Sunday when, or I don't even know when I'm posting this, when Ulta releases, because I love over the top lip gloss. Like mine is almost gone. So I'm gonna put that on top, just in the center. And bam! Done. So this is my finished look that I have, guys. I hope you guys like it. I do have hooded lids, so whatever's on my lid, it kind of gets up in the crease. It doesn't bother me. I know some people it bothers, but me it seriously doesn't. But so this is a finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.